Are you ready for spooky clowns on the sewers? Let's twist the Pennywise Balloon Wand. Please welcome in clown action!
Start by pumping up a 260 red balloon. Leave a 12 cm tail at the end. Then also pump up a 260 white balloon and leave a 12 cm tail at the end. With the red balloon, start by making a small loop twist. Then make 2 more loop twists to form a total of 3. Then make a 12 cm bubble in the middle, and then make 3 more small loop twists on the other side for the hair. Now, tie the white balloon onto one side of the hair. Make a 12 cm bubble and tie it onto the other side. Make another 12 cm bubble and bring it back to the other side. That forms the face of the clown. With the red balloon, once again make a 12 cm bubble to form the back of the hair. With the remaining red bit, form a 4 cm bubble, then make a pinch twist. And then another 4 cm bubble. This forms the top part of the hair. Then tie this onto the other side of the hair. Wrap it around a few times to make sure it's secure. If your balloon is too long, feel free to pop it and tie a knot. If it's fairly short like ours, you can leave a small bubble at the end. Make sure you tuck all the knots in between the balloons so they're not visible. Now pump up a 260 grey balloon. Leaving a 12 cm tail at the end. Tie the grey balloon onto the other side of the hair. Pull the white and grey balloon together in the middle and twist it a few times. With the remaining white balloon, you can now pop it and tie it to the other side to make sure it's secure. The grey balloon should now be a wand that's in the middle of the head. Now make a 4 cm bubble. Then make a loop twist. You want to make 5 more of these to make in total 6 petals. Make sure each petal is of the same size. Onto the last loop twist and you should have a total of 6 petals. This forms the collar of Pennywise. Adjust all the loop twists to make sure they're all looking symmetrical. And you should also have a wand at the end. To add the details, first grab a black marker. Draw in the scary eyebrows. Then add the details of the eyes. Using a yellow marker, shade in the pupils. And finally, add in the last part of the eyes using a black marker again. Now onto the mouth. Start with the lips and then the teeth. And then also shade in the mouth. Using a red marker, add the details for the clown nose, and add some shading using the black marker. And finally, with a red marker, add in details for the lips, and also some details along the eyes. And now you're all done.
What other balloon Pennywise Wand? Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.